Hi guys, how are you doing today? Today is gonna be a very cute video. I think I have very beautiful dresses, very different kind of styles. These are like collective dresses that are like collected over the period of time, and some of you might have seen it on Instagram. So yeah. And interestingly, today I'm also gonna be talking about laser hair removal. So that's gonna be cool. Make sure you wait for that. So as always, I'm gonna start with my favorite dress. These are all from Myntra, by the way. This one in particular was everybody's favorite. Super cute, very nice pastel green shade. So this is one of those dresses that are like super short. It's like a mini dress, okay? And a very cute flare going out. It has this cute collar portion going on. So it's basically designed in a way like a coat. You don't usually see this color in dresses, so I would say go with this one. It's sleeveless. It has this cute tie knot for your front, so you can just adjust the waist, get going. It has these buttons, so it can also be called as a wrap dress. My height is 5'4" for your reference. Stitched beautifully. Material is very light. It's cotton. This is from the brand Sassafras. I don't know how to pronounce that. When I got it for 934 rupees. लेकिन इस वक्त इस पे ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट है and it's available for 815 rupees right now. Acha, now next dress is again one of my favorites. It's a tube dress, but guys, remember that you can also wear it with a jacket, so don't just judge it with the tube. Look at it first. It's very cute. Just see this detailing. I mean, I feel like a flower in it, and it is smoked, so it fits very nicely. And सबसे खूबसूरत चीज़ इसकी मुझे क्या लगी वो है ये नीचे का pleated portion. It's one of those materials जो naturally pleated रहते हैं, जो कि बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है और थोड़ा सा fancy भी लगता है. So it's a very nice dress that you can wear to an event or a party or something. It also is available in different colors. It's not super many. I got this one in medium size, and it is from the brand UNF. One thing about it, it also has this transparent strap thing going on. Hanger पे टांगने के लिए अंदर ही रहते हैं, लेकिन you can also wear it like strap की तरह पहन सकते हो इसको. लेकिन मेरी एक strap टूट गई तो वो एक मसला हो गया. MRP वाइज दिस 1899 रुपीज. फिलहाल अवेलेबल है 721 रुपीज में. ये वाली दिखा देती हूँ पहले, ठीक है? तो ये बहुत ही क्यूट पीच कलर का ड्रेस है. इसका जो कट है ना, ये वो वाला है, वो जो ऐसे बस फ्लेयर आउट होता है. वेरी कंट्री साइड वाइब. तो मुझे चाहिए ही थी ये वाली, क्योंकि इट जस्ट फील्स वेरी फ्लोई, वेरी इजी ब्रीजी. ऑल्सो हैज अ डिफरेंट वाइब, क्योंकि इसकी नॉर्मल वेस्ट लाइन नहीं होती है. इट्स सपोज टू फिट यू इन अ लूजर वे, एंड ऑल्सो इट हैज फुल स्लीव्स, सो आई रियली लव दैट. यू कैन लिटरली वेयर इट एनी टाइम एनी वेयर, कोई मसला नहीं होगा. इट हैज दिस वेरी क्यूट डिटेलिंग अराउंड द नेक. जो इसका मटेरियल है वो भी बहुत अलग है, बहुत ही ऐसे लाइट मटेरियल है, उसमें धागे निकले हुए हैं, बट वो मटेरियल का स्ट्रक्चर है. अंदर इसमें बिल्कुल नॉर्मल कॉटन मटेरियल है. व्हेन यू सी इट इन रियल लाइफ, इट्स अ बिट फेडेड कलर. पिक्चर में थोड़ा और पीच जो है थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेंट दिख रहा है. आई रियली लव द फ्लेयर ऑफ इट. इट जस्ट फील्स वेरी मेन कैरेक्टर वाइब. नाउ MRP of this is 1799 rupees. Then I got this in medium size. When I got it was on sale, and I got it for 809 rupees. अच्छा, now before we move on, talking about these beautiful dresses, suddenly कोई plan बन जाता है, we just want to go out and wear it, right? लेकिन वैक्सिंग नहीं की होती है. घर पे बैठे होते हैं, वो इशू तो हम सबके साथ होता ही होता है. एंड टू गिव यू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बैकग्राउंड अबाउट हेयर रिमूवल जर्नी इन माई लाइफ, आई हैव नेवर वैक्स्ड इन माई लाइफ एंड आई हैव ओनली डन थ्रेडिंग वंस इन माई लाइफ, वो भी वो 12th के फेयरवेल के समय सिर्फ यहाँ पे, ठीक है. आई हैव नेवर शेव्ड इन माई लाइफ, ठीक है. आई हैव ओनली यूज्ड अ ट्रिमर बिकॉज आई एम सो स्कैर्ड ऑफ जस्ट feeling the pain. So that simply shows that I can do literally anything to leave painful options behind. Just do it, Aishwarya, just do it. There comes this beautiful option. This is Erica India's IPL hair removal handset. I have always literally kept hair removal treatments in my bucket list. I always want to do it, but it is so expensive. So I just left that idea. लेकिन मुझे नहीं पता था कि you can do it at home as well for way cheaper than getting it done at clinics and stuff. This is your at home IPL laser hair removal handset. IPL का मतलब है intense pulsed light. We can do it घर पे आराम से, कोई मसला नहीं है. And with this you can go hair free in about 12 weeks and you can see visible results in 4 to 6 weeks. It works on all body parts and it is safe and gentle on your skin. So this is how the package looks. So in this package you get this cute handset. It's pretty handy. You get two colors, pink or white. I got the white one and then you also get this power cord and you also get the user manual जिसमें मैंने by the way पूरे notes ही बना लिए हैं. पहले इसको अच्छे से पढ़ लेना, ठीक है. So I'm super excited, also very nervous to try this out. So this is how you use it. So I start with trimming my hair. They recommend shaving, so you all can do that. You started with the green button, choose the intensity level. This has 5 level energy, so I started with the lowest level as recommended. It has inbuilt sensor, so you need to keep it close and touch the skin, and when the red light starts flickering it means it's ready to go. Now here's the clip of me using it पहली दफा. ये मैं 1000 भी बार आ रही हूँ. अब तो मैंने करना ही करना है. अब चाहे दुनिया इधर से उधर हो जाए. और वहाँ देख, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. गरम फीलिंग आई है बस, और कुछ नहीं. बस गरम लग रहा है यार, कुछ भी नहीं है. मैं तो ऐसे ही डर रही थी. ठीक है, अब कर लेते हैं फटाक से. So all in all, they recommend 12 sessions, 1 session per week. This is my first sitting, by the way, and Erica's IPL hair removal works great for everyone except darker skin tones, which has a reason behind it, and you can read all about it on the website. So after the 6 sessions, they recommend using this once in 2 weeks, but usually it's done once a week for 12 sessions. Depends on you and how it's going for you. Anyways, I will give you an update after 6th sitting about how much the hair growth has reduced and other more details about how it's going for me. I'll give you that update in a jeans haul video, just letting you know so you keep your eye on it, and then I will make a conclusive, a full-length video about this, showing you my whole process from first sitting till 12th sitting. Anyways, I'm hoping to see positive results with this. Getting hair free is literally gonna make my life so much easier. You know, we all know how much of an effort that is. And like, I was scared about this hurting. It just didn't hurt at all. It just had a warm feeling. So that was great. Yeah, if you really want to get rid of getting waxing done, all the painful jhanjat, this would be an amazing option at the comfort of your own home and time, because God knows we need that. This handset lasts you more than 10 years, and after the completion of 12 sittings, you can use it to touch up once in 2-3 months. And by the way, it has a 1-year warranty, so it's an investment for sure. Gift it to yourself on your birthday. And of course, I got you a coupon code. You can use the coupon code ASH250 to get 250 rupees off on your orders. Anyways guys, I've added the Erica's website link in the description. I think there's an offer going on right now. You can go check it out. Now let's move on with the haul. Now this is the next dress. This is such a cute design, you all. It is full sleeve structured dress. The stitching is super cute. This is in like a very nice shade of brown. It's like a nice checkered dress. The material is like a nice thick material. It has buttons all the way down. You can wear it easily. It has this cute puff around the sleeve area. It's just very subtle, you know. Lengthwise भी बहुत अच्छा है. This is in cotton fabric. It has this cute elastic around the sleeve. I just really love the design. MRP तो बड़ी ज़्यादा है इसकी, तो मैं तो नहीं बता रही, लेकिन this is available for 1014 rupees. और इसके ऊपर एक coupon भी available है, so if you use that coupon you can get it for 700 rupees. You'll just get the coupon here. If you like scroll it, ये यहाँ coupon details दिए. let's move on to the last dress. It's like a two-piece set. This is from the brand Berry Lush. बहुत ही cute dresses होते हैं इनके. This has a skirt, like a full neck skirt with like a slit. Feels like a wrap skirt, and it has this cute crop top with it. Is it crop? It's more like a blouse. It has this off-shoulder vibe. नीचे भी elastic लगा हुआ है. And with the skirt, it just looks very pretty. It has very holiday vibe. So like if you're going to Goa or something, I think this would be really cute. It has a zipper skirt में, so you can wear it easily. और जो slit है वो पूरा ऊपर तक है. यहाँ से ही slit शुरू होती है. तो एक हवा आई और काम तमाम. पहले ही बता रही हूँ, ठीक है? नीचे थोड़ा सा स्टिच मार दूंगी ताकि मैं इजीली पहन सकूँ खुद, है ना? This is available for 984 rupees right now. When I got it for 880 rupees. This was the last thing that I had to show you. Really want to say a huge thank you to Erica India for sending this out to me. Anyways, I will leave the link of everything in the description. You can go check it out. Go get your handsets. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram right here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I shall see you guys next time. Until then, mwah, lot of kisses and love. Bye, you guys.